Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iPhone device to iPhone 12. Firstly, open App Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Click Allow and OK. Now you want to go with Receiver on iPhone 12 and Send on iPhone device. I will go with Files, so I have to choose a file. Click Send and wait. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. I will tap to scan. Click OK and scan the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!